Hello. Hi guys, I hope you can see me because this is a huge box and I'm actually a bit worried and a bit excited because what's inside this box. They traveled for 3 days, so I'm just hoping that everything is in good condition. And I guess by now you already have an idea what we have here. So let's get on with it. Let's see what's inside. And this is a styrofoam, by the way. So I'm like trying to get any ideas how to reuse this box or what can I use it for. And it's a big box, so a storage maybe for my extra pots or my potting soil. Let's see. My goodness, it is well packed. Bear with me, guys. This is going to be a while before we can open the package and see everything. So once again, this is from Aroids. They have become my favorite online plant shop. I'm getting there. Okay. So there are boxes inside this big styrofoam. Need my glasses. So that's the receipt, I believe. Yeah. So aside from this big box, they are individually packaged as well. What's in there? I don't think they're individually packaged because there's nothing inside. So I think they just... So these are just like protection maybe to protect the plant from, to prevent them from moving around inside this box. Oh my goodness. Right, let's take this one off as well. I have a lot of boxes, guys, inside this box. I'm sure these bubble wraps can be reused, but when I ship some plants to other people, I have lots of them. Lots inside this box. And another box. This is huge. I'm quite excited for this one. So I actually ordered one from NSC Tropicals. I think that was last year, and I waited for 3 weeks and I got no news, nothing whatsoever. So I got in touch with Enid, the owner, and I was so sad when I heard that they don't actually ship to Europe, and she refunded me back my money. So when I saw this, I was so happy. What's happening here? Right. Where did I put my scissor? Oh no. You know what? I might as well put it down so you could see everything I'm doing here. So far so good. I can see the top leaves and they look okay. Hopefully everything's okay. So when I first started, getting into houseplants, I was so scared to order plants that are rare and a bit on the pricey side, just because I did not have much experience in growing them. So I know a lot of people like pay a lot of money for some rare plants, and if you don't have any experience, that's not advisable. That's not a good thing, because you could lose the plant anytime. And oh my goodness, I'm loving it. Oh, so this is a philodendron ring of fire. I don't want to break any leaves. It's just to stick for to stabilize the plant, I think. Whoa, look at this. Let me bring it close up, guys. Look at this beauty. So it's a variegated philodendron ring of fire. It's in a perfect condition, and I'm actually I think I am liking the growing media that it's in. It's very airy. So this kind of growing media, it's perfect for this type of plants, the philodendrons. Oh, I'm loving it. And it's huge. I know a lot of people pay a lot of money for a cutting, and then the disadvantage is that you're not even sure if the cuttings that you get will do well for you. But at least this, I'm sure that it's like an established plant, and my money will not go to waste, so it's worth it. So that's the big one. Let's see what this one is. I'm gonna keep the blue plastic in there just in case I have some loose soil. The excitement. The excitement when you receive plants that are new to your collection, especially if they're kind of rare, something that the kind of plants that you that you don't usually find or see in the garden centers. Oh, I love this. So if you are into rare houseplants, I think it's really good that you have or find like a trusted seller. That way you know and you're sure that you get plants that are in good condition, and they're not going to sell you something that is just a wet stick. So this is a Monstera Celtipicana, I believe. Yeah, no, they got it wrong. The label here says philodendron ring of fire, but that's the big one. But that's alright. People can get confused sometimes. So that's the Monstera Celtipicana. And look Look at the leaves, you guys. So I only have a single plant in this, I think it's like a 6-inch pot. It's in good condition so far. And I'm about to get a new tiny leaf there. So there's that, and then we have another one. Tiny pot here. Oh no, there's another one. I thought I've ordered 3 only. So I think this is a free plant. I really like these people because the last time I've ordered with them, I got one free plant. Although I already have this in my collection, but yeah, it would be nice to have another one. So it says here free, and I think this is a, can't remember the name anymore. Let me just gather my thoughts, guys. Look at that. It looks perfect. I love free plants. Let's put it there. And let's see what this one is. Yeah. So this one is a Ceropedia, but the variegated version. I already have the regular one, and it's difficult to find a variegated Ceropedia in the UK. Well, so far so good. Everything looks great. Now this will be a bit difficult to untangle. And yeah, I think I have like a significant amount of plant there in a pot. Yeah, I think I need 2 hands to untangle this plant. So the undersides of the leaves are a little bit purplish or pink. Oops. So those are my new plants, guys. So leave me a comment in the comment section down below which one is your favorite. I know each one of us, we always have like a list of the plants that we wanted to have in our collection. So I'm like trying to build mine slowly, because the rare ones can be very costly. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.